Hello again. I'm Gunnar DeLay with Cambridge Wealth Management, and welcome to another installment of Common Sense. Today we're going to be talking about one of the more critical areas of estate and financial planning, and that is planning for the last decade of life, which would typically for most people be between the ages of 80 and 90 years of age. A lot of decisions have to be made concerning long-term care and also decisions about preserving one's estate to make sure that they have something to pass on to their loved ones and spouse after they're gone. Just to give you some important figures to think about. In Arkansas, the average nursing home stay is roughly $5,500 a month. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less, depending on the facility that one goes to. But you can see, let's assume even if you paid $6,000 a month, that very quickly your life savings could be evaporated by paying for a stay in a nursing home. So bearing that in mind, there are some things that you can do proactively to preserve your estate for your family. And a lot of that involves a lot of detailed areas of the law that not all practitioners are familiar with. Most average attorneys and estate planners don't do anything in regard to Medicaid planning and planning for long-term care. So you need to be sure that when you deal with a professional that they know something about that particular area of the law. And that's one of the things that we do here at Cambridge Wealth Management. We help people plan for that stage of life. Another important figure to keep in mind is the number $2,000 and $3,000. That is the amount of money, $2,000 for an individual, $3,000 for a couple, that the state will allow you to have in order to qualify for Medicaid. In other words, that means you have to spend your assets down to that level before the state will pick up your tab for a nursing home stay. For people that have $50,000, $100,000, even up to $500,000, considering the cost of a nursing home stay, that's a lot of wealth that will be gone for the next generation. So there are things that you can do proactively, and also in a crisis situation where maybe mom and dad have gone to the nursing home unexpectedly. You can still do some things to preserve their estate. So in the next several installments, we'll be talking about some of those things and what you can do looking forward. But again, call us at Cambridge Wealth Management. We can set up a no-cost consultation and let you know here are some of the options you may have to help pay for long-term care. Thank you, and until next time, have a great day.